Greg, the chopping machine. So this is a new plot that we're cutting. Behind me here is plot 3. This one was planted 1 month ago, 4 weeks ago, so we've been through and monitored the plants. You can see they're still small, but we'll keep up to date with those and see how the progress is going. 2 volunteers over here, Aaron and Greg, are cutting new trails for new reforestation. So this will be plot 7, and as before, it's trails cut in 20 meters deep, 5 meters apart, where we'll plant 6 plants in each trail, making the total 60 plants per plot. And that's the purple ribbons up there indicate where we'll be cutting.